California truck drivers aren't always at fault for the accidents they're involved in. Many big rig collisions are caused by passenger cars who fail to notice the brake lights on a tractor trailer and ram into the back of them. Equipment failure is another potential cause for big rig accidents, which would mean it's the manufacturer who is at fault. When a big rig truck driver is at fault, it's often because of the rigors of professional trucking. All drivers face distractions like texting or watching videos, and that temptation can be especially high for big rig truckers with their long hours on the road. Truck drivers may also find themselves behind schedule for a delivery and accelerate to reckless speeds to make up time. If a truck driver is at fault in your big rig accident, Maison Law is here to help. The experienced personal injury attorneys at Maison Law in California will build your case and negotiate with insurance companies to make sure you get proper compensation. Contact Maison Law today for a free consultation and case assessment.